Welcome to Prax Market, the all-in-one digital marketplace connecting buyers, suppliers, and service providers in the precision engineering industry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your profile page on the platform. Your profile page plays a key role in showcasing your company, highlighting your specializations, skills, team, capabilities, and experience to other users. Let's get started and build your profile page in an attractive and professional way. First, let's take a quick look at how to edit your account settings. Go to Prax Market, and on the left panel, click Account Settings. Then, at the top right corner of the page, click the Edit icon. Here, you can update your company's basic information, such as name, contact details, and other key info. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save. Next, go to Profile Settings, and click Profile Setup. Again, click the Edit icon at the top right corner of the page. Here, you can edit all the information that appears on your company's profile page. These details will be displayed publicly on your premium profile. Let's take a look at where each piece of information appears on your profile page. Company tagline, displayed at the top of the page, right below your company name. Company specialization, also shown at the top section, giving visitors a quick insight into your expertise. Next is the social media section. These fields include your social media links and follow accounts. All this information is displayed in the social media section of your profile, making it easy for others to connect with you. Then comes the company overview and image section. The following two fields are for your company overview content and your company image. On the profile page, both the overview text and image tell visitors about your company's background, values, and expertise. You can also choose between two layout styles for your profile page. Select the one that best fits your brand and presentation style. Next is the What We Do section. Here you can describe your services, products, and areas of expertise. On the profile page, this section appears just below your Capabilities section. Then, you can add a slider video. Just click Upload a video and save. On the profile page, this section appears just below the Post section. This video highlights your specializations and engages visitors visually. Next, let's look at the Sliders section. Go to the left panel, and under Profile Settings, click Sliders. Here, you can add a list of images using the Add button. Simply fill in the required fields and click Save. On your profile page, these uploaded images will slide across the top of the page, creating an attractive visual display. Next, let's look at the Awards section. Here, you can add a list of awards and accreditations using the Add button. Simply fill in the required fields, upload images, and click Save. On your profile page, these awards will be displayed prominently, helping showcase your company's achievements and credibility. Next, let's look at the Industries You Serve section. Here, you can add a list of industries that your company serves using the Add button. Simply fill in the required fields and click Save. On the profile page, under the Capabilities section, these industries are displayed, helping visitors quickly understand the markets you specialize in. Next, let's look at the Why Choose Us section. Here, you can add a list of your core strengths. On the profile page, these core strengths are displayed. Next, let's look at the Team Members section. Here, you can add a list of your team members, highlighting the people who drive your company's success. On the profile page, these team members are displayed with their details. Next, let's look at the Capabilities section. Here, you can view your company's key capabilities and add new ones using the Add button. Simply fill in the required fields and click Save. On the profile page, just below the company overview, these capabilities are displayed clearly, helping visitors understand your company's professional strengths at a glance. Finally, click Preview Premium Profile to see how your complete profile appears to the public. Thank you for watching. Start building your profile today and make your company stand out on Prax Market.